everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make delicious vegetarian recipe. This is mixed vegetable curry and slightly spicy flavor with creamy texture. For this curry I'm going to use healthy homegrown vegetables, but you can add any vegetable that you have. So let's get started. These vegetables, I have cut them into different shapes and steamed them about 8 minutes, except courgette or zucchini. And here runner beans, butternut squash, potatoes. These are steamed and just tender, or you could do this with raw vegetables, but this you can speed up the time. And here courgette or zucchini, I haven't steamed them because it cooks fast. 1 carrot and bell pepper. These are from the shop. Now everything ready to cook. 100 grams of paneer. You can make the vegetable curry without this, but this will increase more flavor. Here rest of the ingredients. Finely chopped 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, ½ inch of ginger, fresh coriander. I'm going to add 1 chili, but if you like it spicier, add more chilies. Ground spices for the curry. Check the list here. This is mildest curry. If you want to, you can add more chili powder. Here 250 milliliters of vegetable stock, or you can use some water. I am going to add double cream for the curry. If you want to, you can use single cream or coconut milk or anything you like. I've got 4 tomatoes. These are from the garden. Blended them into smooth sauce. If you want to, you can add chopped tomatoes into the curry. Now ready to cook. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil into the pan. I'm using non-stick pan, then I don't have to add a lot of oil. First add in onions. Just fry them about a minute. Now garlic, ginger and chili. Stir and fry them till they soften. Onions are almost done. Now spices. Fry these about 10 to 20 seconds until get nice toasted spice smell. Now tomato mixture. Just pop that straight into the curry. Mix them all. I'm going to add vegetable stock. Stir again. Bring this to boil. Some salt. Fresh coriander. Now turn down the heat. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now ready to add all the vegetables except butternut squash. Now I'm going to leave it aside and put them later on. Everything straight into the pan. If you need more liquid, you can always add some water. Give that a good stir. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Put the lid on. This is after 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add paneer. If you want to, you can fry them first, then add to the curry. Mix again. Put the lid back. Cook for another 5 minutes and stir in between. Now time to add cream. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of double cream. You can add less or more cream into your curry. It just depends on your preference. This gives thickness and richness to the curry. And lastly, butternut squash. Stir them around for a bit. Looks wonderful. And give it a taste at this point. This is really good and lots of flavor. Need a little bit of salt, but this is to your personal taste. Sprinkle with fresh coriander. Coriander smells so good. This curry completely done. Now turn off the heat and ready to serve. This curry mild and creaminess and flavorful vegetable curry. This curry goes with plain rice, bread or naan and a great texture with different vegetables. Sprinkle over fresh coriander. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.